I don't know. I think everybody is different, so I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know.
I'm not sure. I guess, yeah, I don't know.
I'm a woman, but I think men face different types of pressure that we don't have to deal with. Especially, I think that the focus is, of course, put a lot on women issues because, there's different. I think women face different issues, and the focus, especially in the media right now, is put on women issues, which is understandable. But I think that men also maybe are raised in a way where they don't necessarily express whatever issues they could be facing.
I think men are tempted to be more alone, and they don't necessarily ask for help when they need. There's not enough resources available for men. I know there's a lot of homeless in Montreal that are men, and it's mostly a problem with men. So I will probably refer them to people who can, social workers. Yeah.
Sometimes I realize I'm alone at home, and sometimes I think about all these guys that are the same thing that me, alone in their watching TV, eating their fries, and and doing like staying home, meeting people on Tinder or on some applications, but they don't do real things. And this is when I think maybe you grow old and just look at the past and say, man, I didn't do nothing. Then you go crazy.
I think isolation is probably the biggest one. Many social studies shows that, even if women are more, society is harder on women, they're better to organize themselves, to meet with other women, to create circles with other women. I think it's an issue that men should do as well.
One of the big things is like the focus on hypermasculinity. This idea that everyone's got to be like really butch. I'm a queer, and I really find it really frustrating that there's this certain body type and this mentality that people have to conform to in order to be valued. I don't think that that's the way that should be.
I think the society in general towards men is very competitive, and it's not good when you're meant to be seen as being weak and you cannot really show that you're under pressure, that because society wants you to be strong, wants you to be supportive towards people, and I guess puts a lot of pressure on men, and it makes it harder. I don't know, I guess.
Maybe eat well, organize yourself, go out, take walks. Just go take an ice cream. You'll meet people, and those people sometimes are just like you.
I try to have a balanced life, so a mix of work and else, like work and having fun and stuff like that. So
go out there and find people who will set the norms that you feel comfortable in, and you will have a circle of friends, and within your group of friends, basically you set your own norms and you can be yourself.
All these apps and online, forums or whatever opened up more possibilities for men too, because then they have some kind of, they don't necessarily have to like go out and talk to a therapist, but they can get some form of therapy.
A place where they can just feel even loved or supported in this, not necessarily a place called for mental problem, but just a place they can feel, they can share whatever.
You're not alone. You're not alone. Go out there and ask for help and find people's that gonna support you, and you will support them as well. And we're social animals. We need each other.